Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is an anime makeup look, and it's Megara from Hercules. And I'm sorry, I'm like looking like this because like head on is my camera, and I had to look like this to see my mirror. And I love how this look came out. I love like this nice like soft cut crease, smoky eye. Ugh. And you're gonna see that this is not exactly how I originally envisioned this look turning out. I literally had like two other lipsticks, another eyeshadow. I had like a lot of stuff on the side. I'm like, I might do this, because like I had these two lipsticks ready. I had, and that's not shown in the video. I had liquid eyeshadows that you see in the video. It's like this whole look just did not originally work as planned. But that being said, I love how this turned out. And yeah, I'm going to stop rambling so you can do this video. Okay, so let's get started. I took care of my brows, primed, and set my lids, so let's get started. And I did set my lids using Canvas from the Kevin Aquan Nude Pop Palette, and today we're using the Kevin Aquan Nude Pop Palette Canvas. Let's see. So I used this shade right here, and I love this palette, but I feel like we need just a little bit of something to transition in first, because even though I will, yes, use this shade, I want something just with a little bit more color first. So I'm going to use this blush, which is Rosé All Day from Steve Laurent. And I'm going to use that very high in my crease. So now just sitting like, because that is like very pink. I'm going to dip into the shade right here, which is Sculpt. And I'm going to use that to deepen that pink. Really random, what's the song you guys is getting stuck in your head? Because right now it's 100 for me it's 100 Bad Days by AJR. And it is like literally just like playing in my head right now. Okay, so I will say, in person it is showing up more than it is on camera. But now I'm going to dip into the shade right here, which is, so that was this shade right here, which should be Hue. And now I'm going to use that to, again, deepen the crease. Very lightly, I'm going to dip into Sketch, which is this shade right here. I'm going to use that just to help bring this a little more color. I'm using my blending brush. Now with no color on, just blending. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip into the shade right here, which is Design. And I'm going to use that to very lightly, because I remember this one's very pigmented, I'm going to use that to deepen the outer corner and slightly into the crease. Taking my blending brush and just blending that with no other product on it. I don't know why, but my gut instinct is to actually go with this kind of bronzy color, which is Mosaic. Actually, I have two liquid eyeshadows. I'm not sure which one I want to use, because I feel like both work really well for Meg. One is the Sila Liquid Mystère, or Shade Mystère, This is Mythical, which is a very nice like iridescent purple, and the other one is Fairy Tale Ending by Wet and Wild, which is like this nice purple pink with a gold shift. Like, it's really pretty. Let me pull it out real quick. You can see that one right in there. That was really nice. I feel like it would look really good with this. And let's see. The Stila one. It has a little more blue in it. You know what? I'm going to go with the Wet and Wild. Just placing that on the lid. Now lately I've been enjoying applying them with a brush. That's just me. It allows me to be a little more precise with what I use, but it's up to you if you want to go directly from the applicator. Okay, I feel like that looks great. I'm going to do that on this eye, possibly put on some liner, and I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. And we're back, and I had to say, okay, I want to love this, but I'm finding it hard to because I use this and it washes me out. Like, I will place it lightly underneath and all over the face and all dust, and I look on camera, I'm like, ooh, I'm a ghost. But let me see. In person, it's not so bad, but like, it's not cute. Plus, like under my eyes, I don't normally have like a problem with texture. This has been adding texture, so I don't think I can really recommend this. The packaging is really cute. I love the packaging, but I'm still gonna be on the hunt for new powder. I mean, next video I'm gonna be trying this one, which is going to be very different because this one is the first ingredient is talc. This one is cornstarch. But just for comparison's sake, oh no, yeah. So you see the size of these. This one's 10 grams. This one's 30. And this is like $34, $32. So that's why I wanted to love it, because I'm like, you get so much for the price. And this one's like 15, 14, something like that. For what I've been using before was my Kat Von D, because I know that one doesn't do anything under the eye, doesn't like brighten or anything, it just sets. So I'm like, back at square one. But I will say, loving the highlighter today. I used a combo from the Dream palette by Anastasia, which was Ethereal and Unicorn. And that's it, I feel ethereal and unicorny. I do know that on camera, because of how things are looking, it looks like there's a streak. So we're gonna go back to the eyes, which normally I would go like same colors up top, down below, but I want to pay homage to her hair. So I'm going to take a little bit of this shade by ColourPop, which is Paradox, and use that to like pay homage to her hair. I'm going to lightly just smoke that underneath. To help blend that out, I'm going to take a little bit of Sculpt. Take a little bit of Canvas, which is that first shade I used, the base shade. Not showing up red. I'm mad because it's not showing up like the red I was expecting it to, so that's fun. I'm going to take this red by Marc Jacobs. This is fine wine. I'm just going to use that to add some red back. Okay, so I'm gonna go undo this, re-conceal and powder, and we're gonna come back, and I'm just gonna use the same shades I used up top. Okay, and we're back. Can't really tell I like went off camera and like redid this under eye, so that's good. That's some good stuff. Okay. I'm so mad that that did not work out. Because originally I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna put it up top. I'm like, no, you know what? Let's go with a like bold under eye. No, I never want to do that again. Okay. So we're gonna go into the same colors we used up top and just like smoking them out under the eyes. So again, that's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the blush possibly. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the inner corner, and for the inner corner, I want to use this shade right here, which is Portrait. So instead, since that did not work as planned, I'm gonna go into Unicorn and pop that on the inner corner. Okay, so for the waterline, I'm going to use my collab killer Kohl in Siren. Again, lately, I just have been liking not doing like bottom lash mascara. I don't know why, it's just something I enjoy. And now we're gonna move on to the lips. And for lips today, I think I'm gonna use this, which is the first time I use it. This is the Charlotte Tilbury, what are you? Oh, I don't remember which version of the lipstick this is, but this is in the shade Bond Girl, which I feel like just works well for this look. Okay, I love this lipstick. It's like a very like soft-ish matte. That's still like, I don't know, there's something about it I love. And I feel like it looks really good with this look. And obviously I'm keeping in that feel of whatever with that color pop. It's just, it is what it is. And so, with that being said, I'm going to set my face using my setting spray, which is the Collab 3-in-1 Closing Time Setting Mist. And I'm going to let it on my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are with the finished look, and yes, my hair is surprisingly still wet, like soaking wet. But yeah, I really like how this look came out. Is it exactly how I envisioned? No, because like you saw, I wanted a pop under the eyes. That did not work out. But instead I found out I have a new lip color I like. And it's pretty. Anyway, I actually really do love how this turned out. Oh my gosh. And yeah, oh my gosh, my hair's soaking wet. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm like, my mind is all over the place like always. But I hope you like I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this video and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I watch a new video, you'll get a notification. And by the way, I just want to say, thank you to everyone new to the channel and everyone who it came from the giveaway. I am so grateful for all the love and support that I got during this giveaway. So I just want to say thank you, and yeah, I am really happy with the content that I'm going to be producing, where it's going to be 3 videos a week for a little bit. I'm going to test to see how that works. I know I've had some struggle doing 2 videos, but I have some stuff planned out where I'm like, I can hopefully do 3 videos a week, and if not, just please be gentle. Anyway, I'm going to go, so thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.